vacillate or vacillate. If you vacillate between two alternatives or choices, you can't make up your mind. You keep changing your ideas, your mind, your opinions. You are uncertain about what to do. You waver. A common phrase you might have come across is vacillate between hope and despair. One might vacillate over one's employment, investment, or travel plans. If prices or rates vacillate, they fluctuate. They change by small amounts. This word is based on Latin vacillare, meaning to move from side to side. The noun form is vacillation, which means indecisiveness or hesitation. As a teacher, I often observe a vacillation in students' confidence levels. So don't vacillate, don't waver in your mind or opinion, and continue watching my videos. I am your IELTS buddy, Dharmendra Sheth, founder Fluentlingua, Surat. Thank you very much.